Chintan Verma, your own Montessori teacher. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, I really want to thank you all for your love and support. I'm really grateful to all of you. इतना सारा प्यार और आशीर्वाद देने के लिए आप सबका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. So let's talk about today's topic. Today we are going to learn to write English alphabet with the help of writing patterns. Yes, you're right. तो आज हम अपने writing patterns की मदद से English alphabet लिखना सीखेंगे. Today you will get to know, you will see that how these writing patterns will make writing a very easy peasy task for your younger ones. So let's get started. As we have learnt slanting line and sleeping line. ठीक है? Yes, आप समझ गए. तो हमारा सबसे पहला लेटर है A. तो हमने पहले बनाया right slanting line, left slanting line और ये एक sleeping line. And here is our first letter A. So now we write our next letter. The next letter is B. Okay. So B, how to write B? We'll write a standing line. As we have already learned this pattern, one semicircle, okay, and one more semicircle या half circle, जैसे भी बच्चों को ज़्यादा समझ में आए, you can ask them. So this is our second letter, letter B. Let's move on to our next letter, letter C. अब C में क्या है? Just a semicircle. Done. This is letter C. Let's learn to write letter D. Letter D, it's a standing line, okay, and then one semicircle. Letter D. You remember I asked you to practice right semicircle and left semicircle. So here we have used both the semicircles. So basically आपको करना क्या है? You should just tell if your child has practiced at writing patterns properly. So you need to just guide the child, draw one slanting line, left slanting line, one sleeping line, and your letter is ready. Actually, it makes your task very easy. Now, the next letter is E. तो E कैसे बनाएंगे? One standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line, and here we have the third sleeping line, letter E. Our next letter is letter F. See here, standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. It's your letter F. Now let's write letter G. This is your semicircle, went up. See, semicircle just went up, make a sleeping line, and standing line. So you understood? Like some people practice it, just they don't write this. You can just make it like this. Now H. This is your standing line. Again one more standing line and one sleeping line in between letter H. Let's write letter I. Letter I. First we make a standing line. Here is a small sleeping line and on the top also one more sleeping line. Sleeping line on top and sleeping line at bottom. ये बन गया आपका लेटर I. Now the next letter is J. तो पहले हम ऐसे एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाएंगे, फिर हम स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे और यहाँ हम एक कर्व दे देंगे ऐसे. तो जैसे बच्चों ने सेमी सर्कल बनाना सीखा था, तो यहाँ पे या फिर हम इसको वो भी कह सकते हैं कि हमने जो हम पैटर्न को रिवर्स किया था, अपसाइड डाउन हम पैटर्न. सो कैन यू सी दैट? सी नाउ इफ आई disconnect it from here, it looks like upside down hum pattern. So आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं कि कैसे आपके जो राइटिंग पैटर्न्स हैं, each and every writing pattern is helping your child to write letters. Now the next letter is K. ऐसे एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाएंगे, एक slanting line and one more slanting line और बन गया K. आपको पता है कभी कभी ना it's like so much of fun. आप सिर्फ बच्चे को बोलिए कि अच्छा ये वाला पैटर्न बनाओ, फिर ये वाला पैटर्न बनाओ, and when they see कि ओ ये सारे पैटर्न यूज करके तो लेटर बन गया, they feel so happy. When I was teaching actually my students, I used to follow the same practice. And kids used to be so happy. They used to feel like, they have achieved something unusual. So, we'll move on to the next letter. Letter L. L is very easy. Obviously, standing line and sleeping line. This is your letter L. M. So, M में क्या करेंगे हम? First, we'll write a standing line. Okay. One more standing line. So here we have two standing lines. यहाँ पे हम right slant बनाएंगे और फिर left slant. That's it. You must be thinking that you have learned to write M like this. Obviously, this is the right way to write. But this is how you know your child can write easily when they are just initiating. So this is your letter M. Let's move on to the next letter, which is letter N. So here is your standing line. Okay. Again, one more standing line and we'll join this point with this point with one slanting line. This becomes your letter N. It's so much fun. It's so easy. If your child has practiced writing patterns thoroughly and you have given ample time, you have given आपने थोड़ा टाइम दिया है बच्चे को राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए पैटर्न्स से एटलीस्ट मतलब मैं एज अ टीचर आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप कम से कम एक 2-3 मंथ्स का टाइम बच्चों को दीजिए. मैं आपसे एक और चीज शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. बहुत सारे स्कूल ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे राइटिंग पैटर्न्स ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल के लिए प्रैक्टिस किए जाते हैं नर्सरी क्लास में. एंड व्हेन द चाइल्ड कम्स टू LKG और प्रेप 1 उस वक्त बच्चे लेटर्स लिखना सीखते हैं. ओके तो राइटिंग पैटर्न्स प्रैक्टिस करना एक्चुअली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो आपके बच्चे की राइटिंग को बहुत ही इजी और इंटरेस्टिंग बना देता है. कीप इन माइंड. तो हम कहाँ थे? यस, next letter is letter O. So letter O is again one circle. ये थोड़ा ओवल शेप है तो बच्चों को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है ओवल शेप बनाने में. इनिशियली they may write just like this O. Okay, so this is also fine. Our next letter is P. तो उसमें भी हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट लेट्स ड्रॉ वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके एंड वन सेमी सर्कल. देन लेटर P. Let's write letter Q. One circle and one small slanting line. That's it. Letter R. standing line, semicircle or half circle, and then one slanting line. Done! Our letter R is ready to rock and roll. So here we are going to write letter S. See, we make one small semicircle and then one more semicircle, and here is your letter S. See, if I cut it from here, can you see? These are two semicircles, right side and left side. But this line, the upper line of the first semicircle is longer than the below line, and here in the second semicircle, the lower line is longer than the upper line. Okay? डिफरेंस सिर्फ इतना सा है, हमने दो सेमी सर्कल्स को ऐसे ओवरलैप कर दिया है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर लिख दिया है और हमारा लेटर एस रेडी है. T is very easy. One sleeping line on top and then one standing line. This is your letter T. Letter U. Letter U is nothing but the hump pattern upside down. See? Remember we practiced hump pattern? Yes, this is the hump pattern. Letter U. Letter V. One slant, left slant, and actually it will be difficult sometimes for the child to go like this. Let them again write like this. If child is able to write like this, nothing like it. If child has practiced writing patterns properly, like because we had done like mountain pattern, so here it comes like obviously today, like it is so handy. After letter V, W. This is down, up, down, up. Letter W. X. This is one slanting line. Here again, one more slanting line. Right slant, left slant, and you get your letter X. Again, if you make your left slant and half right slant, you get your letter Y. One sleeping line, slanting line, and one more sleeping line. Here is your letter Z. And see, all the alphabet got over so easily. Wasn't it so much of fun? इसीलिए मैंने आपके साथ दो वीडियो शेयर किए पैटर्न्स के. If you practice writing patterns properly, if still you are practicing, because I shared those videos just I think 1 or 2 weeks back. So your child still needs lots of time to practice writing patterns. Give them, again I'm insisting on, give them minimum 2 to 3 months to practice writing patterns properly, and then you will see that your child finds writing very easy and interesting too. Let's revise it once more and write all the letters, English letters on the board, and you can just see, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope it's clearly visible to all of you. So I hope it's very clear, and still if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me through comment section. You can drop your comments and I'll definitely try to get back to you. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos. Keep practicing the alphabet. Take care, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.